Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Industry Specific and click on Office Administration. Go to Setup and then to Internal Verification and click on Incoming Documents. An incoming document in an ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, system typically refers to any document or data that is received from external sources and entered into the system for processing. Navigate to New Incoming Verification and click on New Incoming Verification. Enter static approval as company required. Select viewable persons whom you want to select from the list, and click on Create Verification. After creating incoming verification, you can also update verification by clicking on Edit icon and then select Viewable Person and click on Update Verification.